Hey y'all. So, you know what? This is something. I gotta try to back in my yard. I'm driving the truck again today. I like driving this truck though, especially if it's a chance of rain. I don't know, y'all. I just do. Cause I had to put my I gotta pay attention real quick. I had to put my my SUV in the shop, y'all. So that leaves me. I don't like to drive them little cars. Like I got a smaller BMW. I don't like to drive that car, y'all, when it rains. It sit down too low to the ground, and rain be flying in my face, and I be paranoid, and I just can't do it, child. My nerves be tore all to pieces, honey. So, and it's supposed to start raining today, y'all. We are bracing ourselves for another hurricane, and y'all, I know this truck loud to start with, and this time, y'all, they said it's coming in as a category 4, and everybody is kind of like, I mean, y'all, all we can do is pray and ask God just to, you know, get us through, spare our lives, you know, of course, spare our homes and stuff, but your life and your family life, of course, mean more than, you know, a structure or a building. But and the thing is, you know, it's basically statewide, so it really ain't like you could really go nowhere to kind of get away from it. And y'all, it's just that time of the year, you know. But we went to Walmart last night, and just went to pick, y'all, we ended up getting a whole bunch of mess that we don't need, a whole bunch of snack mess, basically. All the canned stuff was sold out, y'all. I mean, when I say, what is it, non-perishable foods, all that stuff was gone, honey. It was nothing can related was in Walmart. All of it was gone. I was like, yo, these people not playing. Good Lord, they, girl. And there was still a lot of people, and then the only thing that was left was a whole bunch of, you know, meats and the, you know, like the fast, the you know, the freezer stuff, and what else they have, like macaroni and stuff like that you can't cook, you know. But everything was gone, y'all. And I called my daughter because they have like a lake behind them, a pond, a lake or something. It's like right directly behind her condo. And I told her that they probably need to leave. And me and my husband were kind of contemplating if we were gonna stay or what we were gonna do, because there's so much water around where we live. So we decided right now to just stay. It's supposed to start, we're supposed to start getting some hurricane force winds starting tomorrow. And starting tomorrow night, I think, or Thursday morning, Wednesday night, Thursday morning, or something like that. So I'm off tomorrow, thank God. And Thursday, if them winds already coming in, guess who will not be trying to get to work? Your girl, because y'all, it's not worth me putting my life in danger, my husband's life in danger, and it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care. I'm not gonna do it. Because most of the time, no, my nose so hot. He will, like, you know, take me to work if it's raining really hard. He did that the last time, and it was just, even though we closed early, it was still like, when I really thought about it, because it was raining really, really hard by the time he came back to pick me up, and I was just like, you know what, this is crazy. I don't care if I'm a supervisor or whatever, I'm just not gonna do this anymore. So yeah, if it's already starting up, I'm just not even gonna try to go to work. And because I live so far, and the problem is that I told y'all I live about 45 minutes, about 40 minutes in good traffic, 45 minutes in good in no traffic to my job. And so can you imagine, like, once it starts to snowing or raining or whatever, how long it takes for me to get home? Like, really, it's just not. Then once I get off the belt line, so let's say I'm on the belt line or whatever, once you get off of the belt line, then I have to travel down country roads, you know what I'm saying, basically to get home. So it's just, no, I'm not gonna do it. But there was no water in sight, which I don't know why everybody buying up all the water, but I had already bought somewhere. I stay buying water, y'all know that. I think I told y'all that in one vlog. I stay buying water, so I already had like plenty of water. And honestly, y'all, we went and got a whole bunch of knick-knack mess that we didn't need, and that I can't eat that stuff. I don't even know why I bought it. I don't even know why. I bought some brownies. I bought we bought some oatmeal raisin cookies. What other kind of cookies did he get? In the girl, we was in the deli section. Y'all know we didn't have no business over there in the bakery. You know, in the bakery area. We ain't have no business over there in no bakery area, y'all, because we was just we had chips and y'all, just a whole bunch of foolishness, really. We couldn't find any lighter fluid. There were no eggs. There was no milk, y'all. Of course, all that stuff was gone, child. So, and let me tell you the stuff that we did get. When I came back home and opened up the deep freezer, because we got like 3 bags of ice. My husband gonna get some more today. What the freak? Oh my God. What is going on? Yeah, I thought I did the traffic back up so bad. And you know what? I bet you people are leaving the beach. Because y'all, I stay like, oh my God. I'm about to get in this traffic. I stay probably like, I probably should have kept going. Where I live is probably like an hour and a half from the beach. And y'all, the traffic, oh my God, it be so serious and coming. So I think a lot of people are evacuating from the beach coming inland. And I knew it, y'all, and the traffic is like backed up. So y'all about to see, the traffic is really, really backed up. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see all that traffic behind me, but in front of me. And I think people are evacuating from the beach, really. Like, it's like you don't realize how close you are to the beach or whatever until you look at the map. And then you're like, dang, North Carolina is right there at the water. You know what I'm saying? And I bet you all this traffic, people are leaving from the beach. Oh my God, Lord Jesus, y'all. Damn. I know that's what it is. And of course, I am stopped. Hey, evacuation time. And they are evacuating people and telling people to leave and stuff. And I started to keep straight going another way, but to be honest, either way I go right now is just going to be treacherous, really, because everybody trying to leave out. But y'all, that's what happens. That's what happens. Here's a highway patrolman right here beside me. He probably trying to see what's going on himself. But y'all pray, because it's going to be a long ride to work. You know, but you know, them people got to get out from down there themselves and shit. We might need to be getting out from down here, really, because we do stay really, really close to the beach, y'all. Closer than when it's not hurricane season. Yeah, we only an hour and a half away from the beach. But when it's hurricane season, you like, shit, you want to be way farther from that beach than what you are. And it just is what it is, y'all. And it's probably gonna be like this for a while, to be honest. But everybody get prepared. If you're watching me and you know you're in North Carolina and South Carolina, you know, I pray that everything goes well, because I'm praying for everybody, not just for me and my family. I'm praying for everybody, child. So I really pray that everything just goes well, and you know, that everybody get out safely, and that, you know, lives are not lost. One thing I do like about South Carolina is that they started evacuating their hospitals and their rest homes and stuff like that. And I'm so, so glad that they have done that. And y'all, we stopped again. I'm so glad that they have at least done that, because, yo, that's serious. So y'all see what I said? Like, I live about 45 minutes away in good traffic. So this is not good traffic today. So it'll probably take me like an hour and 15. I don't know how long it's going to take me to really get there today, because I am creeping along, as you can see. And traffic is up as far as the eye can see, and it is back as far as the eye can see. But it's all good. I ain't even mad. I'm not even frustrated and upset. I ain't none of that. Because people got to get out. You know what I'm saying? They got to get out from the beach down there. I really forgot that this could be the case. I could have taken the back roads from my house, but eventually I would have had to get into this. So, you know what I'm saying? So it really don't matter if I got in back there from the house or if I got in from the back roads. At some point, I would have to get in this traffic. But I'm not scared. You know, I'm just praying, just prayerful, just very prayerful to the Lord that, you know, I mean, that's all you could do, y'all, because honestly, that's all you could do is just pray and trust in God to work it out for you. I mean, that's all you can do. You know, ain't no use of me being mad, trying to rush to get to work. I mean, and have an accident or whatever. I get there when I get there. And, you know, I do believe it. I really didn't anticipate this. I forgot all about this to tell you that this could be a problem. I didn't. I didn't anticipate this traffic. So I'm trying to think if I get off. It's an exit up here. Where's the exit going to? I don't think it's a... No, that's Smithfield. That's going the opposite direction for what I need to be going in, to tell you the truth. And we stopped again. We're stopped. Yeah, taking this exit up here won't do me no good unless I wonder if I take it. Yeah, I might as well stay where I am, to tell you the truth. At least I am rolling. It's not completely, I mean, we stopping, but it's stop and go. Smithfield and Goldsboro. Yeah, I don't want to go to Goldsboro. I need to go to Raleigh. Smithfield and Goldsboro. That's the wrong answer. I wonder if I get off right here and make that left and go back over that bridge. Y'all, here's my chance. If I don't get off here, I can forget it. But I'm thinking, you know how you be trying to think where you are. I don't want to go to Smithfield and Goldsboro, but I wonder if I get off, if I'm gonna come off, I might as well stay where I am. If I don't get off here, y'all, it'll be a good while before I can. I might as well just go. Like I said, traffic is, well, I done passed the exit now. Because I really think that's just not, that's going to take me so far out the way, I might as well stay where I am. Anyway, girl, if y'all are preparing for the storm, what's going on? Are y'all a little anxious or nervous? Or, you know, of course, everybody calling everybody and kind of just like, you know, just talking about it. At work yesterday, you know, that's all we talked about. We kept watching the news, and, you know, we stayed on the news yesterday, just trying to kind of see what they talking about, what they doing. Yep, times such as this, or anytime, you have to be praying all along anyway. We got to be praying all the time. But you got to put your trust in God and let Him do the rest, honey. Oh my God, y'all, to see this traffic coming in off this exit right here. Wow. Oh my God. Anyway, y'all, let me get off of here and concentrate. I'm gonna call my husband, tell him don't get on this belt line, because it's a mess. And when I say it's a mess, all this traffic right here, which is coming in probably from the beach way down here, I guess everybody trying to go into the city, you know, like into the city of Raleigh, or get as far away as they can, because yeah, they did evacuate some of the beaches too. That's exactly what this is. Anyway, y'all, pray for us here in South Carolina, North Carolina, I think Virginia. Pray for us. And, you know, I know, you know, there's a lot of people that are praying for us, and we'll just see what happens. You know, God won't put more on us than we can bear. I know that. Anyway, I'll holler at y'all later. Bye, y'all.